Welcome back, guys. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about how can we reduce the battery draining problem considerably. This video is a complete solution for all Samsung mobile to just attack on the battery draining issues. So what is happening when any phone is new, the battery is working, will work perfectly. It will last for 2 days, 2.5 days, 3 days. But as soon as we load some apps, we are using that mobile rigorously, so we play games. During some course of time, the battery will start degrading and the draining problem of the battery will start. So this video is a complete solution for all Samsung mobile. Please give attention, guys. See very carefully all the settings. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you, please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Just press the red button inside the video in your browser. Think anything about me, but please subscribe. So not wasting much of your time, just coming straight to the video. The first thing we will do that, go to the settings and we will go just downwards and go to the battery and device care. In many of the other mobiles, in Samsung mobile other versions, this is A30, and you may see in other versions device care only. So just go to the device care and first optimize. Now it will optimizing. This is battery is optimized. So go to the battery, and in the first, power saving is coming. Just go to the power saving. If we switch on this power saving mode, what will happen? Always on display will be turned off. CPU speed will be limited to the 70%. Brightness will be decreased by the 10%. And see, the power saving battery life is 3 days. But if we off this, if we are not limiting apps and home screens, it is only 23 hours. So if you want, you can turn it on. But this mode will be used only in if you have some 15-16% of the battery and you need the mobile most at that time due to some urgent call, some urgent video call. At that time you can use power saving mode, otherwise also you can use. So this is the power saving mode. In some mobiles this screen will come slightly different, but the matter and the things behind these titles will be the same. You should only judiciously see and just match what I am telling into your mobile. Background usage limits. Put unused apps to sleep. What does it mean? Limit battery usage for apps that you do not use often. So suppose sleeping apps. Those apps which are in this sleeping apps category, that will run in the background only occasionally. Updates, notifications may be delayed. So you can add by, you can remove, you can add by plus button. Any app, suppose I am at app like Pro. Now it has been moved into the sleeping apps category. Now deep sleeping apps. You should select some app into the deep sleeping mode to save your battery. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. They will only work when you will open them. So this is about the deep sleeping apps. And then never sleeping apps. You can also add some app by plus button here. These apps will never sleep. So this is all about the background uses limits. I have already told, guys, that the way in which this is represented may be differ in your mobile, but you have to judiciously see and match what I am telling. So now the most important part, secret code is coming. When this setting is will be done in combination with that code, then you will be benefited heavily. Your battery uses will reduce drastically. So what is that? We can go more. Battery setting is also there. Here you can see the percentage and all. Fast charging you can enable, disable from here. So if you have done all the things, now we have to do that secret code, and you have to dial here. The what was that code? Please guys, note it very carefully. Star hash 9900 and hash. As soon as you will enter this code, you will go to the system window. Listen very carefully guys, don't touch anything here, otherwise this may lead you into very troublesome position. You mobile will behave erratically. So just go downwards and battery state reset. You have to just reset the battery stats. Once you have done it, just go there and restart your mobile. Restart. Once the mobile will restart, you will notice the considerable amount of improvement in your battery performance. So this was all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please share, please press the break icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.